Good morning friends and welcome back to RT Dashcam. We're right in the middle of our Bengaluru to Kolkata road trip. This is day 2, part 10. It's 11:11 am now and we're just rolling through the Gudepuvalasa area in Andhra Pradesh, pushing on towards Srikakulam and then Bhubaneswar. The storm and rain are still continuing, which means the journey and the driving experience are definitely a tough challenge right now, almost like an adventure sport. From here, Srikakulam is about 53 kilometers and Bhubaneswar is 382 kilometers away. We are planning to stop for a night stay in Bhubaneswar today. Driving to nights back-to-back with the family would be a little too hectic, so better to get some rest and start fresh tomorrow morning. Plus, Bhubaneswar is much closer to Kolkata, and by then, we'll have covered almost 80% of this challenging road trip through this tragic storm and rain. Just crossing through Bhogapuram Village here in Andhra Pradesh. Passing Bharat Petroleum, Sathya Maheswari agencies, just noting for reference. And now we are gliding through the Nathavalasa Toll Plaza. We paid 105 rupees here. This is the 20th toll plaza we've crossed so far on this journey. Remember, all the locations and references are in the highlighted section down in the description. Passing Perapuram Village, Andhra Pradesh. Now look at that view. We're crossing Kovvada Agraharam village. On the left, a giant mountain rises with its peak wrapped in clouds, as if nature itself is wearing a white shawl. The mist, the drizzle, and the endless green make it look like a moving painting. Bharat Petroleum Petrol Bunk on the left, location reference only. Just a quick check. Kolkata is now around 794 kilometers ahead of us from this spot. We just took a small halt, pulled over quickly to check the route, catch up on the news, and grab some drinks. Gotta stay hydrated on these long hauls. Now we're rolling through Pydipeta Village. Bharat Petroleum, Padmavati filling station, for reference. Another Bharat Petroleum pump on the left. We are now crossing through Chilakapalem Village in Andhra Pradesh. And we're nearing Srikakulam. It's just about 500 meters to the left from here, but we won't enter the city. We'll take the high-speed route, crossing the city from the outside via NH16. A massive water tank beside NH16 at Pudivalasa stands tall like a local landmark, adding a distinct touch to the skyline. We are now crossing the Nagvali river. The river is quite dry at the moment, but you can see the storm and recent rain have added at least some water flow to it. It's been about an hour now without rain, and I'm trying to maintain the speed at 120 km per hour to cover as much distance as possible. Once the rain starts, I'll need to immediately drop the speed. But as you can see, it's still very cloudy, and the weather report warns that the storm could start up again anytime. Thankfully, the road is straight and there are very few vehicles right now. BPCL Srikakulam service station on the left side of NH16. Passing Gayatri College of Science and Management, the student bridge to the college is visible on the left. According to the information board ahead, Bhubaneswar is 321 kilometers and Kolkata is 771 kilometers from this point. We are now crossing over the Vamsadhara river via the Madapam bridge. Just look at that. Right on the banks of the Vamsadhara in Madapam village stands the 170-foot tall Sri Hanuman Ji statue, which is the world's tallest, an incredible sight right beside the highway. The Madapam Toll Plaza is right ahead, but before we hit the toll, we decided to take a much-needed break and stop at the Rajasthan Dhaba for lunch. So, in this part, we've covered a solid 75 kilometers, moving from Gudepuvalasa all the way to the Madapam Toll Plaza. We crossed 2 rivers and 1 toll plaza in this section. I'll share the toll information in the next part. Check the highlighted section for all the map and location references. I'll see you in the next part. Till then, drive safe and keep enjoying the ride.